Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Friday, October 5th, and we've had quite a bit of showers overnight. We expect more showers to move in later on this afternoon after these ones move out, probably towards evening, and then a good chance of showers overnight into much of Saturday. We could see another solid half-inch across many locations as we expect that area to move in from the southwest. You can see some of the precipitation total so far for the storm. 1.07 inches of rain at Clarksville, nearly or just over a half inch at Lansing. You can see our average is up to 0.26 for the storm, and again, we need to be in this range here to be a good forecast, and I think we'll get plenty of rain, and I think we'll make that forecast here, as confidence is pretty high that most areas have a good shot at seeing around a half inch more of rain on average. You can see the storm or the total so far for the month of October. Again, Clarksville leading the way with just over an inch of rain, and most of the other areas though quite a bit less than that. You can see temperatures out there this morning pretty consistent in low to mid 50s across much of the area. A little warmer in southeast lower Michigan, but the consistency due to the clouds and the showers out and about. You can see across the state of Michigan, most of the lower peninsula well into the 50s for a pretty mild morning, low 60s across southeast lower Michigan for the warm spot. But we do have some 30s back across the western end of the UP, so some chilly air, and I think that'll stay mainly off to the northwest as the cold air will be shunted off to the east with this next system. On the radar map this morning, you can see those showers that have moved through the area overnight. They'll continue for the next hour or two across much of southeast lower Michigan into southwest Ontario, and we're going to wait for the return moisture as that low pressure system begins to move north through the area, and we'll see those showers redevelop and move into our area again later on today. Can't rule out a scatter shower at just about any given time, but for the most part, I think we'll see the rain hold off until late today into tonight, and it'll continue on a widespread basis through the day on Saturday. On the weather map this morning, you can see that low pressure system now sitting across portions of Kansas, and again it's going to move up towards Wisconsin. It'll push this warm front through the area, and that'll bring in the more widespread showers as we go through the nighttime hours. And then by tomorrow we're going to be solidly in the warm sector. We may be getting a break in the precipitation here during the midday and mid-afternoon hours, so we could see temperatures climb up to around maybe even in the low 80s for a very warm and humid day. And then as this cold front moves through the area, we could see some showers and gusty thunderstorms. Again, the one thing I think we're going to see plenty of, and that's wind. It looks like winds will be increasing about 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour here over the next couple of days. And then as we get into the day on Sunday, we'll see conditions really improve with lots of sunshine. And out ahead of this front, we'll see warm temperatures for Sunday and Monday well into the 70s for a very nice day. As far as precipitation over the next 72 hours, you can see another solid half to 3/4 of an inch is forecast for much of the MAC and LAC areas, with heavier amounts back off to the northwest. But again, plenty of rainfall. Looks like it'll fall on top of what we've already seen, and it's certainly some much needed rainfall at that. As far as extended outlook, you can see we're looking at above normal temperatures now for both the 6 to 10 and the 8 to 14 day outlook, as ridging continues to hold on strong across the east and a little bit more in the way of troughing out west. As far as precipitation, near to a little bit below normal. So once we get past this wet period here over the next 4 or 5 days, looks like things will begin to dry out as well. So it looks like great harvest conditions coming up over the next couple of weeks. Our forecast again today with the clouds and some of the showers around, highs will be in the mid 60s, maybe 70 across some areas. And then over the weekend, Saturday looks very warm with lots of showers, maybe a thunder shower, highs in the upper 70s to low 80s at least. Could even see some spots touch 85. And then for Sunday, Monday, we'll see lots of sunshine and maybe a slight chance of a shower on Monday with highs in the mid 70s. Just a little bit cooler with lots of sunshine on Tuesday with a scattered shower, highs around 70 to the low 70s as well there. And again, the forecast I've had for the last quite a few days is 0.6 to 1 inch of rainfall, and that's through midnight on Saturday. As far as weather watch this morning, you can see a number of frost advisories for portions of Minnesota into Wisconsin, and freeze warnings are in effect for much of northern portions of Minnesota and off to our southwest with all that conveyor belt of rain that's been falling. You can see area flood watches in effect for lots of the central plains and portions of southwest Iowa. You can see flash flood watches in effect for those areas. Nothing really for the state of Michigan other than it's going to be pretty chilly up in the western end of the UP. But nice conditions will continue through lower Michigan, and I say nice even with the rain because there certainly is some much needed rain. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, a great weekend, and 73s to all.